Good morning, everyone. So, in today's lecture, we are talking about the Memorandum of Association and the Article of Association and their differences. So, if we talk about a company, the Memorandum of Association and Article of Association is very much required. So, the Memorandum of Association is mandatory, whereas the Article of Association is required. So, if we talk about Memorandum of Association, so Memorandum of Association of a company is just like constitutional law of a country. So what does a role played by the constitutional law for a country is the role played by the MOA or Memorandum of Association for a company. So it is a document which contain the rules regarding constitutions and activities of a company. So it is basically a fundamental charter of a company. So it defines the power of company, the extent of company. Beyond that, the company cannot work or go. It is a document filed at the time of incorporation of a company. So it is a public document, and any interested person can have a copy of that memorandum of association by the payment of prescribed fee. So what are the content of memorandum of association is basically first is name clause. So name clause is of memorandum required the name of company, the state of company, and the rule regarding is that you cannot adopt identical name of existing company, limited or public limited company. I mean, the company is public limited company, or is statutory company. So we should not use name of country and which is prohibited in the Companies Act. Second clause is regarding Registered Office Act. So the memorandum must specify the state in which the registered office of a company is situated. Then third clause is objective clause or object clause. So it is the most important clause of memorandum of association, and it defines the object of company and the extent of its power. Next is liability clause. So this clause states the nature of liability of member. So whether company the members are limited liability members or unlimited liabilities member, all about that. Next clause is about capital clause. So this clause contain total amount of capital which is a company required for to incorporate. So as we have earlier discussed that minimum paid up capital for a private company is 1 lakh rupees, minimum paid up capital for a public limited company is 7 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees. So the capital clause is there. Then the association clause or subscription clause is there. So memorandum includes the with the subscription clause, the subscription for minimum subscription of public limited company is 7%, whereas a private limited company is 2. So these all contained in article of association, memorandum of association. Now we will move on to the clauses in article of association. So article of association is basically the internal regulation of a company, and the and for it is meant for the benefit of shareholders of a company. So these are rules regulations relating to internal management of a company. The article of association defines the mode and form on which a business of a company is carried on. So if we talk about content of article of association, so details regarding shares of a company. Second, details regarding directors, their rights, duties, and removal of the directors. Next, the detail regarding holding and conducting meeting. last, the process and rules regarding winding up of a company. So these are the content of article of association. Now, if we talk about the difference between memorandum of association and article of association, most of the difference came from the definition itself. So if we talk on the basis of objective, so the memorandum of association states the objective of foundation or the basics of the company, whereas article of association states the rule of internal management of a company on the basis of situation. That means the importance. So memorandum of association is a fundamental document, whereas article of association is a collateral or complementary document. If we talk about the difference on the basis of relationship, so memorandum of association defines the relationship between company and outsider, whereas the article of association defines the relationship between company and its members. फिर we can find out difference on the basis of necessity, compulsion. So preparation and filing of memorandum of association is compulsory for all the companies, whereas article of association is not necessary for a public company or a public limited company to have their own article of association. Next is on the basis of change. So any change in memorandum of association is very difficult, whereas a change in article of association is comparatively easier. On the basis of nature, memorandum of association is basically charter of a company, whereas article of association sets out rights and duty of governing body. And if we talk about the difference on the basis of supremacy, so memorandum of association cannot be governed by article of association, whereas article of association are supplementary to the memorandum of association, so that it can be governed by memorandum of association basis. So this is all about memorandum of association and article of association. So that is all for the now, and thank you so much.